Hey guys, Tim Trevathan here with Tim Trevathan Homes, and this is another new construction video that you guys definitely want to check out. Now, this new community is not brand new, so to speak. It's been selling for a little while, but they still have some lots available, so it's worth mentioning. This is the Enclave at Brookside Crossing in Auburn, Georgia, and they've got a few lots left, and what's worth mentioning is that as you guys may have noticed in the past year or two here in Metro Atlanta, it's hard to find new construction single-family homes. Either there are a lot of new townhome communities or the single family is in the outskirts of Metro Atlanta where there's not much going on. Well, here in Auburn, Georgia, this is a great location still that's worth checking out because you're about 4 minutes away from a Publix, 5 minutes from a Kroger, and 5 minutes from downtown Dekalb, where you've got sushi restaurants and barbecue and plenty of other happenings that are going on during the weekends. Now, this new community has 70 lots in total. About 60% have been sold and another 7 are under contract. So there's just a couple available, and then they'll be releasing lots 3 through 9, and that will be it. You can see on the map there that there are lots 10 through 17. They're blank because there's actually 2 builders that are partnering with these 70 lots, and one is RHG Homes, which is what I'm primarily covering in today's video. And then there's the Lab Homes, which is literally right across the street. There's another sales office there. The price point of these homes are in the upper 400,000s. So you've got home site 45, for example, which is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. It is called the Barnsley floor plan with 2,645 square feet. That's priced at $479,950. And then you can see home site 2, which is the highest price, which is $499,950. It's a 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home with 2,752 square feet. The model home is also for sale for around $495. That includes the blinds and the refrigerator. Typically, these things are not included, so the price is kind of built in with that one because it's the model home. Now, how do you get a contract on one of these houses? Well, the earnest money, if you're going with the preferred lender, is 1% of the purchase price. If you have an outside lender, it's going to be 2% of the purchase price. So you're looking at around $4,000 to $8,000 in earnest money, and there is a preferred lender incentive of $12,000 that goes as a credit towards your closing cost, whereas an outside lender does not have that credit of $12,000. Be sure to check out my part 1 and part 2 videos of step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home in Georgia. If you haven't already seen those, you must watch them. They are extremely thorough, and it will cover everything that I've gone over on how to buy new construction. And in there, I talk about a little bit about how still an outside lender can be an option, and there's some reasons why. So check it out. And also, I don't represent the builder. I'm an independent contractor that represents buyers in purchasing new construction or resell anywhere in Metro Atlanta. So feel free to use me. It is to your gain because there is no commission paid out to me by you. It's the builder who pays my commission. One other thing about these Enclave at Brookside Crossing homes that I want to point out is that I love the quality of the materials. You can see just in the model home here that they've got quartz countertops. They've got a white brick front for the fireplace, and they've got steel tubs, not fiberglass bathtubs like in a lot of the new construction homes. So these are features that come standard, whereas in some other new construction homes, they may come as upgrades. So the price that you see is what it costs. Typically, the price you see online doesn't include a lot premium or the upgrades, but in this case, what you see as the price is really an accurate representation of what you'll be getting. Probably the best part about this, and I think it's the best because I bought a new construction home a few years ago, is the HOA fees are quite low for the amount of amenities. It's $550 a year. It includes swim and tennis, a pit for like a fire pit, a kids pool, pickleball and basketball courts. I mean, that's a lot. Now, there's a reason behind this. It's because the Enclave at Brookside Crossing, while it has 70 lots and is its own subdivision, it is paired up with a pre-existing resale community right across the street called Brookside Crossing, which has roughly 450 homes. It's a big community, and they're able to join forces together so that they're part of that HOA and get to share in those amenities. And because there's so many homes, that fee can be as low as it is. Just for reference, my new construction community, well, now it's 2 years old, I pay $400 a year, and I have no amenities. And so just for $150 more a year, you can get all those other amenities. And again, it has to do with being able to have so many homes in the neighborhood that can contribute, whereas my community only has 49 homes. Now, the catch is that there are rental restrictions. Technically, there's a 5% rental cap, but it's already been met. So don't expect to be able to rent out your home. If you plan to buy a home here at the Enclave at Brookside Crossing, the intention is to be a permanent resident living in there for a long-term period of time. Another thing that I like about these homes is that they've got, in addition to the standard features of the interior looking like upgraded features when they're not, is you've got a roof that has architectural shingles that are typically lasting you a 30-year period of time versus 3-tab shingles, which are 20 years, which you'll find with the lab homes that are in those other lots, but not with the RHG homes. So that's a great thing about these. If you're interested in this community, give me a call, and I'd love to be able to show you one of these and schedule an appointment and be able to represent you. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.